Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily turn on the low blue light filter on your SHARP QLED TV. So let's start off by going into the quick settings right here and go to picture. And now we need to scroll a bit down until we see advanced settings. And now here we need to scroll down until we see the low blue light. Now here we can click here and we can enable it by going to low, in the middle, and now high. Or we can keep it disabled. So it's all up to your preference. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.